Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. If you have an FD RX7 and you're looking to improve your steering feel, we've got an upgrade that'll work perfect. Let's take a closer look. This build aluminum bushing was designed to replace your factory rag joint for a more crisp steering feel. This kit includes everything you need to do the installation, including high-grade hardware. To learn more about this upgrade or see what else we make for the FD RX7, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.